Hey, my people out there, I am your boy George. Yes, I am the true truck driver. If you're true, say it. Say it right now. I know y'all probably done seen me on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. Somewhere around the globe, you have seen me. Yes, the number one station it is for logistics is right here with the true trucker. All right? Breaker 19. Hit that subscribe button if you ain't hit it yet. But anyway, today we get into safety. I want everybody out there. You have or you're driving a Class A, Class B, it don't matter what type of truck or bus it is. I need you to be careful. All right? There are thousands and thousands of accidents every year. All right? Every year in the United States. Over 4,500 of those accidents, as you can see on the board behind me, that these are fatalities. That means 4,500 drivers are losing their life. I hope this is comprehending to you as I'm talking about it, that it is fatal crashes. That means people are not going home. Before you walk out your door and get on that road and get behind that wheel, I need you to hug your loved ones, call your family members, tell them where you're going, where you're leaving, when you'll be back. Talk to them every day. This tractor trailer is dangerous. It's a dangerous job, okay? A lot of people think that just because you sit and hold the wheel, you drive it straight, you back up to a dock, that there are no accidents. Yes, they are. That means there are over 4 to 5 accidents with fatalities every single day where people are not, truck drivers, I ain't gonna say people, truck drivers are not going home. I want you to plan your routes. Look where you're going. Be careful about New York, Chicago, where they got the low bridges at. Pay attention, drivers. Stay off your cell phones as you're going down the highway. It makes no sense for you to have a cell phone in your hand and you're doing 70 miles an hour with 80,000 pounds on your back, going down the road, okay? Listening to music is one thing, but watching your cell phone, TV, distracted, you shouldn't do it, all right? I'm the true truck driver. I'm gonna tell you, that is a no, all right? I need you guys to be careful. Go around your truck, do your pre-trips, because you have hubs that come off on these trucks too, all right? The front can have a blowout. If you're not doing your pre-trip inspections, these things will happen to you, all right? Pay attention to your brakes. You cannot pay attention enough. And here's what happened with you guys with those earbuds in your ears going down the road. You don't know that your trailer brakes done locked up and somebody sitting beside you bonking the horn or trying to get in touch with you because you got your earbuds in watching TV. Now all of a sudden your trailer's on fire. The brakes are on fire. What were you doing? All right? Getting ready to cause a fire and an accident. Very bad, and hurt some people. Now, that's what I can tell you guys, man. I've seen it. I've seen trucks catch on fire. If you've been driving for a while, you have seen trucks upside down in the bushes. You have kept going and said, thank you, God, that was not me. I need you guys to understand your life is very important to a lot of people. Very important. I am your boy George. Yes, I am the true truck driver. Go to my YouTube page. I want you to subscribe now if you haven't. Pay attention and watch very closely to some of these accidents that happen where drivers done fell asleep at the wheel because they're too tired. That's another no. No freight is that important for you to go down the road and cause an accident or fall asleep behind the wheel of being careless. All right? That's why the FMCA is on the carriers' butts as is and pulling you over, checking you. And people ask, why do the police constantly come to our jobs and stops us? Because of the accidents. Some of these accidents are caused by cars and other things that happen, weather, but it do happen. There's 4,000, and when that accident happens in a big truck, it causes a lot of damage. I am your boy George. Yes, I am the true truck driver. Follow me, subscribe, follow me on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Holla at your boy.